Kamay mo siya nila.
May real enjoyment and gain. I refuse to allow the Filipinos to be so regarded. We shall be a flowing stream. A rippling brook.
Janine, urong ba?
Deep and roaring torrent. Full of life. Of hope. Of grace. And of strength. Through self-discipline.
Sila lang. Sila lang? Hindi. Lahat.
So that our power spreading over the land and bread of God will develop its resources as marching culture, secure social justice,
Hindi si Mom.
giving hands to the nation, and ensure happiness and contentment for all people. Under the aegis of liberty and peace. Other peoples of the world are straining themselves to attain higher levels of progress and national security. We must not lag behind. The Filipino people